let's go and talk with our AI receptionist.
Hello, I'm Eric from Bright Smile Dental Care. How can I help you?
Hey, Eric, I would like to book an appointment for dental checkup.
I'd be happy to help you with that. May I have your full name, please?
Okay, my full name is Sanrai, Sanrai.
Thank you. Just to confirm, that's Sanrai. S as in Sam, A as in Apple, N as in Nancy, R as in Robert, A as in Apple, I as in India. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Great. And what's your email address?
My email address is myname.automation@gmail.com. So could you substitute my name with my real name that I provided earlier?
Let me confirm that email. It's san.regmail.com. That's san.rai@gmail.com. Is that correct?
No, actually, there's a small mistake. So could you remove dot between San and Rai, between my first name and last name? It's just sanrai.automation.
Thank you for catching that. So the correct email address is sanrai.automation@gmail.com. That's sanrai.automation@gmail.com. Is that correct now?
That's correct.
Perfect. What's the best phone number to reach you?
It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Got it. Phone number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Excellent. What date would you prefer for your appointment?
Could you book me for Thursday, 29th January 2026, 3 o'clock at the evening?
Wonderful. So that's Thursday, January 29th, 2026 at 3 o'clock in the evening. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's correct.
Booking your appointment now. Your appointment is now booked for Thursday, January 29th, 2026 at 3 o'clock in the evening. You'll receive a confirmation email at sanrai.automation@gmail.com shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. So, as you can see, my workflow has been executed. So, let's see. So, let's go and check our Google Sheet. Here we can find the data, patient data created by our AI agent, which is correct. And let's go to our calendar and see if it has managed to book an appointment for us. Yeah, that's also correct. It's between 3 to 4 p.m. The time is right. The date is also right. Now let's go and check our Gmail account. So it has sent all the booking appointment details back to the patient. So that's it.